In the wild, speed is crucial for survival. But speed is not a problem for a cheetah, which is the fastest land animal in the world. Globally, cheetahs are famed for their running prowess and strength. Aside from their speed, there are more admirable facts that you should know about this big, wild cat. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more amazing videos. With that being said, let's begin. The cheetah is one of the most graceful members of the cat family, and one of the few cat species which relies on speed instead of stealth when hunting. Cheetahs are the fastest land mammals on Earth, reaching speeds of 110 to 120 km per hour. They accelerate from 0 to 80 km per hour in just 3 seconds, which is faster than a lot of sports cars. The only animals faster are the peregrine falcon, which can dive at speeds of 300 km per hour, and the tiger beetle, which, if it was as large as a human, could run at speeds of 494 km per hour. Physical description: cheetahs have slender, long-legged bodies with blunt, semi-retractable claws. Their heads are small with high-set eyes. A black tear mark runs from the inner corner of each eye down to the mouth. A cheetah's teeth are small when compared with other big cats, which accommodates their larger nasal passages that enable quick air intake. Cheetahs' spots may serve as camouflage for both hunting and hiding. Their spots may offset the shadow in the grey-hued grasses they often inhabit, allowing them to blend in with their surroundings. Camouflage is essential not only for stalking prey, but also for protecting cheetah cubs from predators. A cheetah's cub's smoky grey mantle may serve as added camouflage among dead grasses. Much like a human's fingerprint, a cheetah's spots and the ring pattern of its tail are unique, enabling researchers in the field to identify individuals. Cheetahs are made for sprinting. Their slender, streamlined body allows fast runs, and their flexible spine and long legs enable the cat to take big strides. They also have oversized lungs, hearts, and breathing passages, so they're able to pump more oxygen during runs. Their long tail acts as a counterbalance when running, and semi-retractable claws provide better traction during sprints. Adult cheetah males are typically larger than females. Body lengths of cheetahs range from 112 to 150 centimeters, 3.93 to 4.92 feet. Tail lengths are between 60 to 80 centimeters, 2 to 2.62 feet, and the height at the shoulder ranges from 67 to 94 centimeters, 2.2 to 3.1 feet. Their weights average from 21 to 72 kilograms, 46 to 158 pounds, with the average male larger than the average female. Range and habitat: cheetahs are found primarily in the eastern and southern ranges of Africa, south of the Sahara Desert, with small populations in North Africa and Iran. They are adaptable in a wide range of habits, from thick shrubs, dry forests, savannas, grasslands, and temperate deserts. Social structure: cheetahs have a unique social order among felids. Adult females are solitary, while adult males are not. Adult females interact with adult males only long enough to breed, and females raise their cubs on their own. At 18 months, the mother leaves the cubs, who then form a sibling group that stays together for another 6 months. At about 2 years, the female siblings leave the group and become solitary, while the young males remain together for life in a group called a coalition. A coalition is usually made up of 2 to 3 litter mates and is a very tightly bonded group. Singleton mates are not common and usually do not survive long. This coalition will live and hunt together for life, claiming a territory which may encompass several female home ranges. Diet and hunting: like other felids, cheetahs are carnivores, getting food by killing and eating other animals. The teeth of cats are well suited to their diet, with long canines for gripping prey and blade-like molars for cutting flesh. While most cats are nocturnal predators, the cheetah is primarily diurnal, hunting in the early morning and late afternoon. Since it depends on sight rather than smell, it likes to scan the wild from a tree limb or the top of a termite mound. Other big cats chase only a few hundred meters, but the cheetah chases 5.5 kilometers at an average speed of 72 kilometers per hour. The energy cheetahs spend on going after their prey make one wonder if they do gain the energy after the feed. However, cheetahs have a very refined approach to hunting, probably to avoid being unsuccessful. A cheetah's night vision is poor compared to others in the big cat kingdom. It is the only big cat that hunts during the day. This poses some unique challenges for the cheetah, as it does not have the cover of darkness to enable it to spring a surprise attack on its prey. A cheetah spends the mornings and early evenings looking for prey when there is light but the low sun. To hunt under the heat of a high sun would be extremely challenging for the cheetah, given the energy it needs to expend to catch its meal. Cheetahs typically hunt zebra, wildebeest, and gazelle. They are all herd animals and all take turns to look out for danger, so the stealthy cheetah assassin must use its wits as well as its lightning speed to have the best chance of getting a kill. A cheetah will always approach its prey from a downwind position, so its scent does not give them away. It uses the natural undulations and peaks of its habitat, such as hills and termite mounds, to cover as it approaches. A cheetah has to stay out of sight until it is time to pounce. Once the cheetah spots its prey, it stalks the prey. Tall grass is essential here. Fortunately for the cheetah, the places where its favorite prey gathers to drink are typically surrounded by tall grass. Using the tall grass for cover and its spots as camouflage, it silently approaches its prey, treading softly and slowly to avoid detection. Although the cheetah is the fastest land mammal in the world, it is not capable of prolonged chases, so it needs to position itself as close to its prey as possible before it decides to make an ambush. Once close enough, the cheetah uses its electrifying speed to launch a surprise ambush. Once it is in sight, its prey will bolt, so the cheetah has to chase down any laggers before it is exhausted. If a cheetah times its hunt well, its raw speed means it will quickly catch something. Cheetahs can hit speeds of 71 miles per hour and use their long tails for balance, so once the hunt is on, it has a 1 in 10 chance of getting a kill. Once a cheetah subdues its prey, it may begin eating the prey before the prey is dead. This is to reduce the chances of a scavenger, such as a hyena, or a larger cat like a lion or a leopard coming along and robbing it of the prize it worked so hard to win. Conservation. Cheetahs are in trouble in the wild. In the last century, the cheetah population has declined from 100,000 to fewer than 8,000 individuals, and the species has become extinct in at least 13 countries. Technically, cheetahs don't have any predators. However, lions, leopards, and hyenas will try to prey upon cheetah, particularly cheetah cubs. Because they are so fast, adult cheetahs are difficult to catch. Cubs are a different story. When first born, like all kittens, they are utterly helpless and can easily be killed in their nursery den while their mother is off hunting. The mortality rate of cheetah cubs is incredibly high, approximately 70%, and most of these fatalities are lion-related. Another contributing factor to the cheetah's mortality rate threat is that their food is often stolen by other predators, like lions, leopards, and wild dogs, as well as scavengers such as vultures and hyenas. They also run into trouble with ranchers, who often mistakenly blame cheetahs for livestock losses and shoot them. Finally, cheetahs lack genetic diversity. This means that individuals in the population are very closely related, and are so at greater risk from diseases. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You can also leave a comment with what you would like to see in the following videos. Thank you for watching, see you next time.